Right guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to keep this short and sweet because on editing this video on holiday I realised that I was waffling on a little bit in the fan and it was a little bit boring. But basically I've started this YouTube channel because I've got an NSR250 that I want to restore. I've also got a couple of ideas in the pipeline, including a Triumph flat track, like sort of custom build. And we've got other things that might pop up as well. A few ideas in that. So basically we're going to kick this video off with the NSR250. We're going to get it, well, hopefully get it running. We're going to completely overhaul and rebuild the brakes, suspension. We're going to take care of some of the bodywork, some of the cracks and stuff and that in the bodywork. And yeah, basically get it ready for the road and hopefully a track day next year. Let's kick it off by getting it in the van, going back to the workshop and trying to get it running.
And pause it. Right, so back at the workshop, I'm going to give you a little run around the bike and show you some of the damage on it, some of the worn out parts on it, some of the bits we might be replacing. So, starting from the front, as you can see the screen has been cracked in the crash, the brake lever's snapped, and some of this side fairing's got some scratches and a bit of a crack there that we might repair. Going around from the back, again there's a couple of slight marks here and there. The silencer's got a big dent on it which we will address. But what's nice about this bike is it's all original. It's not been taken apart and it's not been too messed with. So we're going to start by just trying to get the bike running, get some fresh fuel in it and see how we get on.
First things first, we use this handy device to drain all the old petrol from the petrol tank. Then we're going to remove the rear bolt in the petrol tank, which also takes the front seat off. We then carefully take the side fairing out of the petrol tank rubbers. You can remove the seat unit if you want to at this point. I'm just trying to save a bit of time. Then we're going to remove the front bolts from the petrol tank and take the petrol tank completely out of the way with the fuel hose off. This exposes the airbox. We're going to be careful in removing the screws and don't drop them down the engine. Once the lid being removed from the airbox, we find that the air filter is actually in pretty decent condition. I was half expecting it to be turned to dust over the long period it's been sat for. Right, so what we've done so far is we've removed the petrol tank, we've took the lid off the airbox, inspected the air filter. We're gonna, well, I've already drained the carburetors, like drained the old fuel out of them, and it don't look too bad. Everything doesn't look that bad at all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hook this dummy tank up, we're gonna quickly whip the plugs out and clean the plugs or see what they look like, and then we're just gonna have a go at starting it. A little bit hard to do this one here. Got it ticking over, pretty nice. Right, so that's a wrap on the first episode of the NSR250 build/restoration series. I hope you've liked it. I do promise in the next one we're going to have some better audio because I've got some proper mics. But if you do have any tips or tricks on editing YouTube videos, please drop them in the comments. In the next one, we're going to feature rebuilding the brakes. We're going to fit new seals and stuff, new brake lines, upgrade them slightly, and show you basically how to bleed the brakes and stuff. If you have liked this video, can I ask you to please like or subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one. So, if you've liked this video, share it, like it, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It will help. Oh, mate. Right, guys, like and subscribe. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Bosh.